Point number 19. Walk the path to enlightenment by witnessing your thoughts so intensely that you dive deep into silence to disappear completely. Fulfill the purpose of life in this very lifetime. If you have understood the importance of wisdom, witnessing, understanding and awareness, when your awareness is supported by witnessing, or your awareness is aligned to the witnessing and supporting your witnessing, and there is an understanding which is a greater support to hold the enlightenment. When this combination of four aspects happens, the witness disappears. Witness is you. It has to disappear. That is the state of enlightenment. Dive so deep that you disappear completely. When you disappear completely, that is the state of enlightenment. The trio has to disappear. Only then the enlightenment process is complete. Otherwise you keep getting small glimpses. This is called Satori experiences. You enjoy the beauty of nature. Say for example, you are trekking, you are hiking, you are going up the mountain, and you put lot of efforts, 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour, and you are one with it, intensely, not looking here and there, because you will fall down. So you have to be very concentrated. And you go up, put lot of efforts, and suddenly you come to the peak, and you see a panoramic view, and suddenly there is a feeling of aha, and in that you experience the bliss. It's a Satori experience. Just because you have struggled so hard, and suddenly there is an expanded view, there is that aha feeling. But you will not be able to sustain that thing. It will be only for a few seconds and gone. When you do Vipassana for a longer duration, you will have that for a few seconds, for sure. And it is real. It is first-hand experience. Okay. But you will not be able to sustain. And thousands of people are getting today Satori experiences, but because they don't know the technology of Sivyapti, they don't know how to sustain that state. Most of the people are falling back. Enlightenment is not sustainable for them. So we have to have the right kind of understanding, only then it will be sustained. So you have to disappear completely through this. Then the total enlightenment is there. Annihilation of ego is the state of enlightenment. That 100%, total annihilation of the ego, I, me, mine, has to happen. Only that is the state of enlightenment. The trio has to disappear. The thoughts, the process of witnessing, and the witness itself has to disappear. That is the state of enlightenment. Only that enlightenment is sustainable. Otherwise it is just the glimpses, which is called Satori, not the enlightenment.